Hello, what is going on? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video for you all. Today we are reviewing DinoBUSD, guys, a really cool BUSD miner. I will be also aping in with a little bit to show you how it looks like when you actually get in. They offer 8% daily ROI, so yeah, I hope that you will like the video and stay till the end. Before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump right into the video, guys. So DinoBUSD, the project is actually performing really well according to all the statistics. They've been really outperforming multiple other miners, and actually other miners are even forking their project because it is such a good inspiration for them. DinoBUSD, as you guys can see, it is fully audited by Interfi network, so this is pretty cool. And by the way, I call it Dino. I know that, well, you can call it Dino pretty much. You even have a dinosaur here, but yeah, whatever. DinoBUSD for me, that's what I like to that's what I like to call it, okay, whatever. So yeah, they've been audited by Interfi, as you can see. Came out that the contract is pretty safe, and if you want, you can also verify it on your own, do your own sort of audit, just simply by going into the BSC scan. As you guys can see, it is linked on their website. If you scroll down, you can hit the BSC scan button, boom, contract code is right here. As you can see, contract source code verified, and you can interact with it directly from BSC scan in case anything happens to. As you can see, you have all the functions, but obviously the website works pretty fine, so there shouldn't be any issues with interactions here. Alrighty, so contract balance currently is sitting at 150,000 BUSD. The TVL has grew quite a lot since yesterday, so this is a great sign. They also have lottery feature, which I'll show you in a second. So daily ROI 8%. As you can see, there is 2% withdrawal fee, which you need to take a look at, and then there is also deposit fee 4% for marketing, which is absolutely great. That's how they can get their name out. That's how they can push out the different marketing campaigns, obviously, which makes sense because well, that's how they get their name out at the end of the day. And 2% for the developer, which is a very cool fee, very fair and not too big, because many miners take like 10% dev fee, okay? And they actually have this spread out to marketing and 2% for dev. In my opinion, absolutely fair spread. So, in case you wanna get in, first of all, you need to approve your BUSD, so you hit the approve button, just as I'm gonna do now, and then you approve it. That's what you have to do. Once it approves, we will be able to jump in with our BUSD. So let's see how it looks like. All right, the transaction is now confirmed, and now let's quickly refresh that. Okay, and we should be able to jump in right now. And so we are, as you guys can see, now instead of approve button, we have an actual deposit button. I have 75 BUSD in my balance, so that's what I'm gonna deposit. Boom, deposit. Let's go confirm right again. Let's see how it looks like. Should take like 5-10 seconds, you know how it is with BSC sometimes. Okay, here it is, and now I have 75 BUSD invested. As you can see, my daily user ROI should be around 6 BUSD. Here you can see the statistics of your daily reward, how much you have earned from your 6 BUSD, then you can claim it. You can see when your last claim was, when your next claim is available, how much is available for your 50% withdrawal that is allowed, and basically how much have you total withdrawn, to also keep track of your investment and your ROI. On top of that, they have a referral 10% program. As you guys can see, it will show you all your rewards and how much you have withdrawn, which is pretty cool, because many other miners don't include this statistic, and it is like all mixed up in your balance. Here you can actually see how much you made from referrals. So here is your link as well. My link will be in the description. If you want to help me out, you can go ahead and do it. They also have this cool investment calculator, which shows you how much you will earn with each amount of BUSD invested. The minimum is 50 BUSD. So let's say you want to jump in with 1000, your daily return will be around 80 BUSD, weekly return 560, and monthly 2400. So that's how much you can make with this miner. They also have this lottery, which is pretty cool. You have multiple winning prizes, as you can see, 30 BUSD, 50 BUSD, 200 BUSD, and 30% taxation is on those lotteries. But actually, guys, what I really like about those is the fact that 30% tax goes to the ROI contract, so it is also helping to sustain the ecosystem and the project. You can also see the last winners, etc. So yeah, that's just an additional feature. If you are feeling lucky, you can get yourself a ticket and maybe you will win over some other people. But obviously, focusing on miner, it is pretty well, and in my opinion, it looks really sustainable. They also have a white paper, which is a nice touch, 8 pages. They have some info about roadmap, some info about marketing, the growth, as you can see, info about the lottery and all of that. So yeah, it's nice that they have it. Nice little touch, nice little addition. If you will be interested in checking them out, you can also go ahead and follow them on social medias, join the Twitter, join the Telegram, and yeah, and enjoy it. That's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next videos coming out soon.